In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add two columns in Google Docs. If you want part of your document to look more organized, polished, or similar to a newsletter or brochure layout, using columns is a great option. The nice thing is that Google Docs makes this very simple, especially when you only want to apply the column layout to a specific paragraph or section instead of the entire page. To get started, go to your Google Doc and open the document where you want to create the two-column layout. Make sure you're in the correct document before making any changes, especially if you're working with a longer file that has multiple sections. Once your document is open, click and highlight the paragraph you want to turn into two columns. This part is important because selecting the text first tells Google Docs exactly where you want the formatting to be applied. If you skip the selection, you may end up changing more of the document than you intended. So take a moment to make sure the correct paragraph is highlighted before moving on. After that, go to the top menu and click on Format. This menu contains a lot of text and layout tools, including the option you need for columns. When the drop-down menu appears, look through the list until you find columns. Next, hover your cursor over columns. You don't need to click immediately. Just placing your cursor over it will open the column layout choices. This is where Google Docs gives you three simple options: a single column, two columns, or three columns. From those options, click the middle one. That middle layout is the two-column option. As soon as you click it, the highlighted paragraph will be transformed into two columns. And that's it. You've successfully added two columns in Google Docs. If the layout doesn't look quite right at first, don't worry. Columns often look best when the selected text is long enough to flow naturally from one side to the other. Short sections may not show a dramatic difference, so this feature is especially useful for larger blocks of text. This is a quick and effective way to improve readability and give your document a more professional appearance without needing any advanced formatting tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.